Hi, it's Tanya from My Working Life, and today we're in the kitchen and we are making an easy and delicious corn souffle. Now, this is a really easy recipe that you pretty much just throw together and then bake in your oven, and it comes out so delicious. Now, before we get started, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, please give me a thumbs up if you like this content. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to start by preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to also prepare my baking dish. I've got here an 8 by 8 quart baking dish. It's going to give my souffle enough height, so that's why I'm using this dish. If you're going to use a larger dish, just know that your souffle might be a little bit flat. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and just use a little bit of my butter and kind of grease this. All right, whatever. Make it do what it do. Oh my gosh. What happened? All right, whatever. Set this to the side. Now I'm gonna grab a bowl and I'm gonna go ahead and break my 3 eggs into there. Poor brush broke. And I'm gonna give these eggs just a little bit of a whisk so that they're broken up before we add the remaining ingredients. Whisker, 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 whiskers. Wow, wow, wow. Bum, bum, bum. All right, and I'm just gonna plop in my remaining ingredients. So like I said, I've got here some regular corn kernels that have been drained. That way we get those nice pieces of whole corn. Some creamed corn as well. It's a lot of liquid. I'm also gonna go ahead and add my melted butter. This is about 6 tablespoons. Gonna add in my cornmeal, as well as my all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I found that this was the perfect amount of sweetness for me. Some sour cream. It's sour and fatty. And about 2 teaspoons of salt to bring out the flavor and balance that sweet. And just mix it till it's combined. And that's it. Our batter is done. You want to make sure that sour cream kind of gets mixed up. You can see mine is kind of clumped together. Mix it in. Bada bing. And I'm just gonna pour this in this container. Now this isn't gonna poof up like a traditional souffle. It ain't about doing all that. It's really just about having delicious, baked, good corn souffle, casserole, whatever. So I'm gonna bake this in that preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's set. All right, I'll be back. Our corn souffle is done. It is nice and golden on the top. We can check our doneness by sticking a toothpick in the middle. Came out clean. It's done. It looks delicious. Now, if you want to jazz it up, you can top it with a little bit of powdered sugar. I'm actually going to chop it with some freshly chopped chives. You can also use green onion, just something to give it a little bit of pop of color. Not a lot because you don't want it to taste like oniony, but I rather use this than powdered sugar because even though it's sweet, it's a little bit savory because it's corn. And voila, we've got corn souffle. Now I'm gonna let this cool a little bit before I dig in. I'm gonna get myself a little corner. Get myself a little corner. It's nice. It's still very hot. Oh, it smells so good. No, that's good. I was gonna eat some more. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, y'all. Until the next time. Bye. I can eat some more. They're good.